There we go. I have to scream, start recording because it's kind of loud. Kind of loud on the Spyder. But today is April 19th. We had some thunderstorms coming through, but it's pretty nice out. I hope nobody's exiting off because it's hard to see. This is where I wrenched my neck. So I'm on the Spyder today. I rode the Spyder a little bit yesterday. They just yield, they don't stop. Look at all the construction on this freeway. It's terrible. You can't even get on the freeway until you're almost in Greenville. There's no more. They screwed everything up. We drive on these walls, both sides of the freeway. This is Interstate 30. It's going to take, I remember doing, when we lived in the Austin area, Interstate 35. It took them 30 years to finish that from Georgetown all the way through, what is it, Hillsboro. 30 years! So it'll probably, I'll probably be dead by the time they finish this highway. Since I'm 66, I won't be around for 30 years. Easter tomorrow, so we're going to have my son and daughter-in-law and the kids, and then her parents over for Thanksgiving, or not Thanksgiving, but Easter tomorrow. I think we're going over there this afternoon. Little rain come through last night. I think we're supposed to have some thunderstorms come through probably tonight or any time today. So it's like a 75% chance of thunderstorms. I don't think I'll run into any now.